Install the bike carrier on the tailgate by correctly placing upper and lower feet. Place the supporting arm 10 to 30 degrees above the horizon and insert the security pin through the hubs and arm and secure it. Install the 6 stripe and tighten all before and after mounting the bikes. Be sure the surface of the car is clean before install the hooks. If your car doesn't have a space to place the hooks, use the BN'B hatch fastener. Bike holders can be rotated to the best angle for mounting the bikes. Load the bicycle alternatively. If you have a lady bike, please use a bike adapter to load the bicycle. Secure the bikes with 2 rubber straps at the rear part of the bicycle and 1 in the front. Don't overstretch the rubber straps. Use the protective foam pad to prevent the scratches between bikes or bikes and car. Use the safety strap to secure the bike and avoid the shaking during the driving. Pass the safety strap through one wheel and over the buckle located on the lower leg of the bike carrier. Then take the strap forward through the other wheel and insert the end of the strap to the buckle at the other end. Tighten the strap firmly. Tighten again all the 6 straps and arrange them using the integrated Velcro straps.